Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable the website frame in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so we're here on our homepage, and you can see we don't have a frame. And some websites use this, some websites don't, but if you would want to use this stylistically wise, then feel free to do so. So first things first, let's head over to our top toolbar here and click on our Customize tab. Okay, and we are here on our WordPress customizer. We're on our homepage here in the preview, and we have our left-hand sidebar over here. Let's click on General, and you can see here we have website frame. It's disabled, so let's click on the toggle switch here, and you can see we now have a frame around our whole website. Now let's click on this, and we can change how big the frame is. Okay, if it's thick or thin. If we're on mobile, how thin it is, let's say 4 pixels for mobile, but it's actually 29 pixels for desktop. So you can adjust things this way if you wanted to. And then frame color, we can use one of our colors here or just customize it completely. I'll use dark blue here. And once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish. And let's head over to our live site. And you can see there's no border yet. Let's reload it. And we now have a frame on our website. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.